So number 40 is a little strange, but it's kind of a vocab and context question. So they're asking us to identify what she means by sixpence. So they want us to kind of define that. So remember with vocab and context questions, we always want to look at the context. So don't just look at lines 70 and 71, but read a little before and probably a little bit after. So the part that seems relevant here is starting here at line 63. It says, as you know from your own experience and there are facts that prove it, the daughters of educated men have always done their thinking from hand to mouth, not under green lamps and study tables in the cloisters of secluded colleges. So, have always done their thinking from hand to mouth, not under green lamps at study tables in the cloisters of secluded colleges. So, what they're saying is they always had their thinking given to them. So they always thought what others told them, and it was not at these institutions, not at colleges or these other institutions. If we go ahead and keep reading, it says they thought while they stirred the pot, while they rocked the cradle. So they thought while they were doing their more traditional roles. It was thus that they won us the right to our brand new sixpence. So that comes up right there, sixpence. It falls to us now to go on thinking, how are we to spend that sixpence? So if we keep on reading, it says that they should spend the sixpence thinking in offices, in omnibuses, standing in the crowd, watching mayor shows and coronations, in the gallery in the House of Commons, in the law courts, at baptism and marriages and funerals. Never cease from thinking. And she gives a bunch of locations, and that's a key thing right here. These are locations. So she's saying instead of just thinking in the house, so it's no longer just in the house, it is now outside in the real world. So think outside in the real world. So if we go ahead and go back and look at the answer, we might be tempted to pick B, which is knowledge, because of the thinking. But we have to look a little deeper and realize that she's talking about places. So she's actually talking about opportunity. So make sure you don't pick knowledge just because all the times they say thinking. And tolerance and perspective, they don't seem relevant here at all. So our answer is going to be letter choice C.